Want to take your WordPress site security to the next level? Let's walk through how to set up Vulnerability Shield Pro with xCloud, the advanced protection powered by Patchstack for just $5 a month. From your xCloud dashboard, select your website first. Click on the WordPress from the sidebar, then click on Vulnerability Scan. This is where you'll manage and monitor your site's security status. If you haven't upgraded yet, you'll see a notice to enable Pro. Click on the Upgrade to Pro now and complete the payment process. Once the process is done, the subscription will be activated for this site. Once Pro is active, click the Refresh button to initiate a scan. It'll check your site for known issues and display the vulnerabilities to you. Here, you'll see a breakdown of the WordPress core, plugins, and themes that have issues. Just click on the Details button next to the plugin to learn more details about the issues. You can even click on the Update button to resolve it immediately. You can also cancel your subscriptions anytime. To manage your subscription plan of the Patchstack, head to Team Settings, then go to Subscriptions, and click on Patchstack Subscription. From here, you can view all active subscriptions and cancel anytime if needed. And that's it. With Vulnerability Shield Pro, you can keep your site protected always with automated virtual patching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!